rain. Hopefully it keeps running. Wow, the machine just kicked out of gear there. Don't know why it done that. Unfortunately, I was able to catch it before it created any problem. Yeah, yellow handle right there popped back, and it shouldn't have. There's the other machine over there, going down the field too. There's what she looks like down the field. You'll see that's kind of into the sun, so probably not much there. Hope I don't run over a rock while I'm messing around doing this. Kind of a mess. Right there. Well, I better start paying attention to what I'm doing. Hope you've enjoyed the video.